Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the appointment booking system inside the Go High level, how to create the calendar, how to create the pipelines regarding appointments, and how do we change the update or change the appointment booking pipeline stages, or how do we send the the Zoom meeting links or whatever you have connected as a video conferencing platform. So all of this stuff will be inside this single video. So let's go inside the Go High level. Right now I'm inside the Go High level's calendar, and the first thing that we need to create is the calendar. So first of all, I will be creating our calendar. Then we will move towards the pipelines, then towards the workers, and finally we will be testing it, and I will show you how the system works and how the changes will be reflected inside the system. So the new calendar I will be showing, creating a person looking one. I will be naming it as, yes, we can choose it as, what shall we do? I think we should go with the, I don't know, webcam calendar. Yes. So I will be doing with the advanced settings. We can add any, anything. So we can use Auxth logo. It is being created. So it is being uploaded. Okay, then I will be moving towards the availability. I think I should change the availability. For Monday, it is okay. Should be 8 to 5. So now we got in here, apply to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I have applied it. I have to save this thing, and so I've created this thing, and now we would be testing this and sharing this workflow. So here I copy the link. I will be using the bit.ly again. So I will be using the bit.ly app for this purpose, and here we will create our bit.ly link. I will copy this and I will save, open this here. So after that we will book an appointment, testing appointment, so that that appointment comes in our system. Schedule 8:30. Then testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gmail.com. I will be choosing my own email because there will be the. So if I go back towards my calendars list, and I will go back, appointment list view. Here you can see that I have booked an appointment right now, appointment time which I selected. So in the next section we will be doing things related to the pipelines and the automations inside this same video. Now let's move towards the pipelines, and I will just show you the pipeline, what the pipeline looks like regarding the appointment booking systems. So I won't be creating from scratch. I've already created that, and I will be just showing you that. So here are the pipelines, and I will be choosing the appointment booking pipeline, and here is it. The appointment booked, meeting done, no show, sent for, no show follow-ups, appointment not booked again, proposal sent. All these are according to my own needs. If you have other needs or you prefer other stages, you want to delete or add something, you can do your own self. So because these are dynamic when we move towards businesses, every business has their own needs, so that's why they're different. Now I will move towards the automation pipeline, automation systems, where I have created a opportunity, the system in which we get reminders and the booking links uh, through which we have to join the meetings. So these are basically almost 3 workflows. So I will be going through those one by one. This is the first workflow that we have created, and the filter, the trigger, the first trigger is that any appointment booked, anyone who has booked an appointment anywhere, he will be sent to this workflow. So in first email, we are sending them an email in which there will be a appointment booking link, the Zoom meeting link. So I use this appointment.meeting.locations, and I will be cancelling this. Then I wait for 24 hours before the meeting. Also, if you want to see that this is just my name, you can change it to whatever you want. But you have to select the wait for thing to the event and appointment time. Then you will be using this thing until one day before the appointment time actually. Then I will be sending that person a reminder. Then one hour before, like before and 1 hour. Then I will be sending 10 minutes before reminders. So this is the reminder workflow. The second is, if someone in our appointment booking pipeline, if someone goes into the no show stage, that person comes inside this workflow. So I've selected the trigger in pipeline. I've selected my pipeline stage. Then it waits for 3 hours and sends them the calendar booking link actually. So what we do is that we send them email in which they can in which we are sending them the appointment booking link actually. So if the appointment is being booked in that particular calendar, so we wait and wait for the trigger link to be clicked, or we can also check that whether that appointment was booked in the previous workflow, because the previous workflow actually catches those leads which have booked an appointment, so that will catch that, and this repeats here again. Now moving towards the third workflow, which is the appointment booking internal notification. So whenever an appointment is booked, we get internal notification, and that is we also create that a new lead. So we also update that opportunity in the stages. So you can see here we have internal notification towards ourselves. And yes, you have actually gone through the overview and a little bit of details, but if you have more questions regarding this, you may ask in the comment sections. And if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.